Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Ichus Media after a long
So I can learn how to love.
Today we are going to make a wine which is called there is a fruit called chambenya. It's a pink color fruit, so we are going to make that wine. So let's get started. I'm not going to waste your time anymore as you have waited a long time for our videos. We were getting so many comments and everything like that, so we are not wasting your time, so let's get started. So guys, this is our fruit called chambenya. So we need to cut it off and take out the seeds inside and rinse it off like 3-4 times in order to like clean all the insects and everything from this, and like make sure you are like cleaning up like so thoroughly. This is from our farm itself, so it's like organic, no chemicals, nothing, and it tastes so delicious. You can eat it like that only. And we are going, this is approximately 3 kgs, so we will be using the sugar as well, 3 kgs. It's like if you are taking 2 kgs, the sugar will be 2 kgs. If you are taking 3 kgs, then it will be 3 kgs. And rest the ingredient we are going to use is like we will be using cardamom, then we will be using cinnamon, then we will be having yeast, and then there is a small grains of wheat which we will be tying and put it inside the juice of this chambenya. Like not juice, we will be grinding it like a little in order to like extract only the water from this. So guys, our chambenya is all set to like work on it, so I have put it in the pot. So now we will be adding sugar on the top and then muddle it. We will be adding in the sugar, which is 3 kgs, like all inside. Now we will be adding our spices, which is cinnamon sticks, like 5 to 6 cardamoms, then 2 pinches of yeast, then some cloves, star anise. So this is our crushed wheat. So we will be tying this in a like a good white cloth and then tying this up like a potli. We will be putting this inside the pot and filling the pot with water. This wheat will be giving an extra flavor to the wine and it will be like quick in fermentation. So we will be adding in the water. So now it's time to stir this up and muddle this fruit, which is also called as wax fruit. If you don't know, like it's in English it's called as wax fruit, like wax apple. So we will be stirring it and give it a like good muddle so that the flavors will be infused into the wine and the spices as well. When we will be tasting the wine, so it will be full of this cardamom and cinnamon and all the flavors will be infused. So we have to muddle it like very quick and very nicely. This is how it will be like after muddling for like maybe 10-15 minutes. So it should be like this, and after this we will be putting a white cloth on it and covering it, like tying up it. So we are going to put the lid on, take a white cloth and then just tie it as tight as you could, so that no air is going inside, no insects or ants or anything going inside, because it's so sweet, like so the ants will be running for this. So we need to tie this like really tight. Wax apple wine is all inside, so it is ready to get fermented. So we will be seeing this after 20 days. I will be giving a review how it tastes. It is so heavy, I can't hold. So see you in the next video.